everyone, and welcome back to your channel When Yarn Meets Hook. As girls, we all remember that purse were and still are a huge part of our outfits. How about we make our little girls happy with a special gift made with love, our own personal touch and one-of-a-kind details. Ready to get started? We'll start with a foundation chain of 21 plus 1. I'll be using the standard single crochet stitch. Let's begin with the red yarn. Single crochet is a great choice for chain yarn because it creates a tight, soft texture, which means we won't even need to line the purse. We've reached the halfway point of the purse base. Now, we'll turn and work single crochets into the opposite side of each stitch to complete the oval base. Once we reach the first stitch of the row, we'll close it with a slip stitch. I'll work the second row in red as well. For the third row, I'm switching from red to black. A shorts video will pop up on the screen right now, showing you exactly how to join chain yarn so it doesn't unravel. This yarn isn't just a name, it's actually a strain woven into very fine tiny chains. That's what gives it the strength and shine you see. But at the same time, this yarn is very sensitive if the ends aren't secured. Next row, back to red. The following row will be black. Then, the next 2 rows will be red. One of my favorite color contrasts is red and black. It's just so classy. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite color contrasts. I'll finish the next row in black. Even though this yarn is stiff and can be tough to work with, the result is truly worth the effort. The next row will be red. Then back to black for 1 row. Now that we have reached the perfect height, we'll finish the little girl's purse with 2 rows of red, just like we started. Purse body done, let's make a cute little handle. After the slip stitch, take the black yarn end and insert it into the turning chain. Then, pull the red yarn tight to loop the black one in. Hold both strands together and work along chain. Once the strap is the right length for the little girl, cut both strands, leaving a decent tail. Chain 1, pull the yarn through the loop and tighten it well. Insert your hook from the inside into the stitch directly opposite the other end of the strap and pull the yarn tail through. Insert the hook again and pull the yarn tight like this. Trim the yarn, secure the ends together with a bit of glue, and then sew them into the purse. Now, let's make a tiny 3-petal flower as an accent. Start with a magic ring and chain 2. Work 2 double crochets, then chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Chain 2 again and repeat the process. 2 double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. When the flower is finished, cut the yarn and weave in the ends, securing them well with the needle, cotton thread and a little glue. We attach the flower to the purse using glue. And here is the final look of our little girl's purse. If you look closely at the stitches, you'll notice they look like tiny hearts, just like the hearts of the little ones who will be carrying them. Once you're finished, don't forget to do some hand stitches like the ones in the shorts video appearing above right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell me in the comments, what colors are you going to use for your little girl's purse? See you in the next video. Bye!